Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to solve the error no connection established in MySQL Workbench in your Mac. So the reason why you are getting this error is because the MySQL server has not been started. So for that you can just minimize it, and here you are having the Apple icon to the leftmost top. Select it, and here we are having system preferences, and in some cases it could be system settings. Click that, and here we will be having MySQL. Select it, and here we are having an option to start MySQL server. So just click it and it will ask you the password of your laptop. Just enter that. So now here we are having green mark and we are having the option stop MySQL server, which means that our server has started. And in case if you are using MySQL frequently, you can just check this also. This basically automatically starts up MySQL server whenever our computer starts. And in case if you don't have any of these options, which means that you haven't installed MySQL server but only installed Workbench, you can just click on the card that is appearing on top. I've done an entire tutorial from scratch how to install both MySQL server as well as Workbench in macOS. So once we have done this, we can just close it and close the existing MySQL Workbench also. We need to reopen it again. So go to Launchpad and open it. And now I will go to my local instance. And this time, as you can see, I'm not getting any errors. And if I run this command, show databases, no errors, and I'm getting a green mark. So the issue has been solved, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.